Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, here you will learn how to draw eyes from seeing a reference photo. Firstly, you should draw the outline with 0.5 mm mechanical pencil by seeing the reference photo. Do draw slowly and observe carefully. Starting with islands, draw the islands with 10B pencil of outline or any kind of pencil that you have. Draw according to the reference photo. Blend those areas with a brush. Going from light to dark by seeing the reference photo. I am using 4B pencil. By using 10B pencil, give the strokes in the direction of eyebrow. By using 10B pencil, give small strokes for eyelashes. Thanks for watching.